You open a Telegram chat and medias keep downloading and downloading, filling in your phone's storage. Feels disgusting, doesn't it? Well, I am here with its solution today. Open your Telegram app settings and go to data and storage. From here, you can see that you get an option to choose whether you want to automatically download media while you are using mobile data, while you are using Wi-Fi, or when you are roaming. To be more specific, you can tap on any of these to get separate options for photos, videos and files. Like on mobile data, all the photos will be downloaded if you keep them on, all the videos up to 2.5 MB will be downloaded if you keep them on, and all the files up to 500 KB will be downloaded if you keep it on. And one thing's for sure, that voice messages will always be downloaded because they are tiny, or at least as Telegram says. To reset your settings, just click on reset over here. Another cool feature of Telegram is that when you click on storage usage, you actually get to set an interval after which all your unused media will be automatically deleted by Telegram. For example, I have set it to 1 week, which means that all my unused media will be automatically deleted by Telegram if they are not used for 1 week. Although if I need them again, I can re-download them from the Telegram cloud as they are always available there.